in an array which lie under easy section of array problem. So to find the second largest in an array, uh, what we did now, basically we solved this question by using three methods. First one is a brute force, second one is an optimal, third one is better, uh, third one is optimal. Mhm. Let me fix the color firstly. Is green. Yeah, okay. Huh. So this is a given array in which there are total five elements. The elements are the elements are 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. So basically, in a brute force approach, we sort the array. So if I sort the array, the output is this. If I sort the array, so in a sorting, we required an logarithmic and time. And after sorting the array, if you see my previous video of finding the largest element, I am just returning the array with with index n minus 1. Means that the element who lie at index n minus 1, I am just returning after sorting the array. So to find the second largest, we may say that the element at index n minus 2 is the second largest because the array is sorted. This is the brute force approach. Because in this the time complexity is n log n. We may solve it in big of n. Um, I hope the idea is getting clear. And let's see code it. Or in this case, the element at index n minus 2 is not the second largest. The element at index n minus 3 is the second largest. Because the element at index n minus 2 and the element at index n minus 1 both are same. So the element at index n minus 2 is equal to the largest. So we are not going to compute the value. So we are not going to return the index at n minus 2. Understand? This is basically a main logics. Now let's code this. To code this, basically what we did now, firstly we get a size. So a size of array. So int n is equal to nums dot size. Um, we are using this. I am just going to compute the size of an array, and after getting the size, I am checking the base condition is the number of element uh, greater than 2. If this condition is false, then return. If number of element is greater than, if number of element is less than 2, okay. If element, then return minus 1, because return minus 1. If there are only zero element or one element, in that case the second element is not possible. If equivalent to 2 or greater than 2, in that case the second largest is possible. Now what I do, check, sort the array. Sort nums dot begin, and after there is nums dot end. Done. Array gets sorted. So I am just initializing largest. Int largest is equal to nums of n minus 1. Done. For int I is equal to n minus 2. Okay. I greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. I am checking one by one. So in this case, it takes around big of big of n time. So what if nums of I not equal to largest. In that case, return nums of I. Uh, otherwise return otherwise return -1, because this is happen this is executed only when what all elements are same. Done. Return -1. Done, done, done. I hope this will run without causing any error and pass all test cases. Wait, wait, wait. Network error. Yes, all test case get passed. Uh, Thank you guys.